Amazon quietly made a major FBA change that helps sellers for once, and it's increasing the maximum box length for FBA orders, right? So, this is kind of the update. Very nice. They did announce it a little bit ago, but it's still very important. A lot of sellers don't know about it. This is pretty much the gist of it, right? There's a new maximum dimensions of the boxes. Before they would reject you and it'd be terrible. It is still 50 pounds per box, which I wish was better, but I'll take it. It increased the length to 36 inches. So you could have longer boxes and ship those in to Amazon. It used to be only 25 inches on the longest side of the box was allowed. If you went to 26 inches, they could reject it. They could charge you more. And then you got all these violations. You didn't want that at all. But now they're pretty much being a little bit more laxed about it and implementing new systems. It's a multi-channel consistency and aligns with industry carrier standards. Now on Walmart, the weight limit is 150 pounds per box. So there's a bit difference. I'm hoping Amazon starts to catch up, but it is looking promising, and I am happy about this. Good job, Amazon. Now, this is Amazon's main fulfillment center. For Amazon's warehouse, AWD, this is their secondary fulfillment center. If you don't want to get charged all these extra fees of having them in the main, it hasn't changed. So it's only changed at the main fulfillment center and not the AWD, which pretty much shows me that they're being run by either separate, like pretty much separate companies per se, same company, but practically separate. And they're not communicating with one another, which that's fine, but it is a little bit worrisome. I think that they will be implementing more of this into the AWD, but since it just got started, they're just like, let's just keep it as it is, and we'll see how it goes. But good job, Amazon. That is going to be the major change for today. Test it out, try it out, make sure it works for you. If not, you definitely want to contact Amazon customer service to see what's going on with your account. And we are Amazon experts. You can contact us right in the description. Josh Hackett, signing out.